Are you struggling to get new leads for your cleaning business? Well, look no further. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up your online presence to drive consistent leads for your cleaning business. And you can do this even if you've never built a website before, even if you have no technical experience and without breaking the bank, because most of what I'm going to show you is free to do. So let's get started and talk about how to market your cleaning business so that you can drive consistent leads and grow your business. But first, why do you need to market a cleaning business in the first place? Can't you just start getting out there, cleaning things, and people will refer you and find you, right? The tough part about that, and the reason that you need to take your marketing seriously, is because it becomes really difficult to get your name passed along when you have no presence associated with yourself. So if it's just me and I'm Keegan and I offer cleaning, somebody might pass me along or text my number along, but then it's really hard to remember if you're a potential new customer who that is. Plus, if you forget, or you're just looking for somebody to provide you with services, you're going to go online and you're going to start Googling it, right? And it's going to be the businesses that show up there and have some form of presence that have the opportunity to capture a new customer. And even if I want to refer your business along, it's a lot easier to refer your website or your business or a brand name than it is just some random person's name. I can't see reviews about you. I don't know anything about you. So all of this basic marketing piece comes in a lot, even if you're referred to somebody else and referrals are a big part of your business, or if you're finding customers in another way, cold calling or something. People want to see an example of who you are and how you represent yourself. That's what marketing is. It helps you close the deal and turn those referrals or those people who find you on Google into long-term paying customers for your business. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to think about is who needs your cleaning services. Is it busy families? Is it office buildings? Or maybe is it retail stores? You have to understand who your customers are, and that's going to help you target them and figure out what the best way to do your marketing actually is. So imagine in your marketing, you're talking to them directly. Who is it that you're talking to? What would they like to hear? What problems do they have? Because the problems a family have are different than at an office building is different than a retail store. And then how do you aim to solve those problems for them? Because that's what marketing is about. It's about saying why you're a great option to solve that problem that they're having. Dirty office, dirty retail store, dirty home, right? Keep these questions in mind as we move to the next step. But step one is about knowing exactly who your audience is. That means your target customer. Step two is all about creating a catchy brand. Your brand is like your business's face. It's how people recognize you. Choose something fun and memorable, like fun name, create a cool logo. There's plenty of free options to do that now. Check out other videos, and Mighty Sites will show you how to create a logo free and easy. And decide on colors that pop. Your brand should tell a little bit of your story, make people feel good about choosing your services. It's a lot easier to remember you and your business too when you have a brand than it is just your name, right? That doesn't sound like a business, makes it harder to remember and harder to find you online later. So step two, all about creating a catchy brand. Step three, build an awesome website. In today's world, everyone goes online to find out what they need. Now, it doesn't have to be difficult. You can have an easy, professional, simple website that just gives people the information about your services, how to contact you. If you want to put your prices, maybe some before and after photos, check out the link in the description. Mighty Sites is only $9 a month and has a great template for house cleaning businesses. That's probably one of the best ways to get your business up and running with a professional website, make you look good and professional, and help drive leads into your business. Now, social media, you may be on there personally, but are you on there for your business? Create accounts on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Share some fun photos, some cleaning tips. You don't have to spend a ton of time doing it. Just offer some engagement with your audience and let them see the human side of your business. People are going to, when they find out about you, go research you. One of the ways they're going to do that is your website. So you can have a professional Mighty site, and then they'll look at your social media links, which can be linked from your website, and just kind of see who you are and what you've done, where you are. Those things are going to help them feel comfortable hiring you for their home or business. Step five, create irresistible deals, right? Everyone loves a good deal. Offer special discounts for first-time customers or referral bonuses for those who bring in new clients. So this will encourage people to refer you more often, and it'll also give a discount so people can try you for the first time and feel good about, hey, giving it a little bit more risk-free try. So this encourages people to try your services and tell their friends about you too, which is really great. Step six, collect and share testimonials. Happy customers are your best advertisers. Ask them to share their experiences and use these testimonials on your website and social media. This builds trust and shows potential clients that you're awesome at what you do. And step 7, you've got to keep learning and adapting, right? The world changes fast, so these should be your marketing strategies that you keep an eye on and you keep working on. Don't be afraid to change things up on social media, add different information to your website, be open to trying new things, and look for ways to always improve too. And there you have it. So that's 7 steps to marketing your cleaning business and make it sparkle. If you're ready to start your website, check out the next video on how to make a website for a cleaning business. It'll help you know exactly what to do to get your website up and running fast. Thanks for joining this video. Please be sure to like and share and subscribe so that more small business owners like yourself find it. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.